Hi, hello, good afternoon. We have here UMAC amplifier. Oh, UMAC. Yeah, UMAC ka. This is a dB amplifier, you see? dB amplifier. The problem of this dB amplifier is... Now we see the problem. Okay. Now we need background because there's so many sounds here in the neighbor. Up. Okay. See, this is the amplifier, dB amplifier. The problem of this amplifier is very tampered. It's so hard to repair this amplifier. You know why? Now we lock. Okay, this is a transistor. All transistor is full defect. We test it times 1. Tester put it in times 1. Okay, now we test the output transistor. You see, short. All the transistor is short. Okay, see, all the transistor is short. You see, and this is what you call tampered, and the board is too many what do you call this, many part is missing here, many part is missing, and it is very rusty. It's too hard to repair. I can't repair this amplifier, but the owner said you want to restore the amplifier because they have what do you call this, sentimental value. So you want to restore this, but I cannot restore it. Okay. So what we do now is to replace this we replace this transistorized amplifier into a universal IC transistor amplifier. This is a universal IC, so we replace it here. Okay, see how to install. It's very easy to install. Okay. It's raining now. It's raining here in Mindanao. Okay. So now, see now. Okay, all I want here is the DC voltage here. This is a negative, positive. So we find the negative positive to supply here in our new universal IC amplifier. Okay, now we check. This is the AC. We check it first if there is a power supply AC. Okay, set the tester into what, 50 volts AC, and find if there is AC here. This is what AC is this? 45 AC. Okay, it's okay to my hair. It's capable to 45 AC. It's okay. The DC of this is, I think it's 65 or 60. Okay. Now we put it back here because the AC is okay. and plug it again. Whoa. Oh, it's already plugged. Okay, that's, be careful, always careful. Check it again. The plug is already on. That's the reason the part is blowing in the wind. Okay, the AC now is plug on. Okay, we put the tester into 250 VDC to see if there is a DC voltage in capacitor. Okay, plug in. Okay, now we must see if there is a we got the pintel pin first. Okay, we measure. This is the filter capacitor. You see, 65 volts. 65 volts positive, and the other is no other. Oh, and the other is, you see, okay, 65, 065. Okay, the filter now is, filter capacitor is okay. There's a voltage. Okay. This is the positive. Okay, and this is the negative. Okay, we put the marking. Okay, before we put wiring here, we discharge first. Why? Because there's a, you see, voltage remaining. So we discharge first before we put wiring. So this is the amplifier flag, and this is the we used to discharge this capacitor. Look, like this. You see? Oh, you see? There's a spark. So this is the very good to discharge. Okay. Now all capacitor is discharged. But before we check it again if there is no DC voltage. Okay, there is no DC voltage. Okay, now we wiring it. We have all we have to do, all we have to get here is only positive and the negative and the input. This is the input here, and okay na. Okay, we wiring it. This is the negative. Put the negative here. Okay, the iron is not hot, very hot. It's not very hot. And this is for our positive. Where is the positive here? This is the positive. Okay, we put it in here. Okay. Is the speaker. Jumper the speaker. Speaker. Okay. Jumper it. Where is the speaker here? Here is the speaker. Okay. This is the ground. Ground. Okay. Okay, we plaster it. Where do we it? There's the hole. Put it in here. Put it here, positive. Okay. The other here is negative. Okay. Okay, this is the positive and the negative. Okay. This is the input. Okay. There. Input. Okay. And there's the one missing. And ground. There. Ground. Okay. We have now all. Input, positive, negative. That's all. That's all we want. Now we plaster it. Where we plaster it? This is the speaker. Speaker. Ta-da! And this is the, what you call this? Power supply. What happened? There is no happen. Okay. Okay. Start. Now putting the screwdriver. The screwdriver is putting here. Putting here, putting there. Okay. So where's the others? Okay. And the other is here. Good. Okay. Finish. Okay. Okay. That's all. Now using our universal IC amplifier. This is our universal IC amplifier. So this is the negative. So we put it in here. Where is the negative here? This is the negative. So we utilize the wires. Okay. So that is not bigger. Okay. And the other, and this is the positive. Okay, this is the positive. So the positive, this is the negative, and this is the positive. Okay. We make background music because there's so many sounds here. The white tea is not allowed if there is music, so that we did not ejected by white tea because of the background music. So we make the background music the friend of white tea. Okay. Okay. This is the positive. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a brown. Okay. 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 We put it in here for temporary. Temporaries. Okay. Here we put the, I think, stick glue here. Okay. Okay. This is the out of the preamp. We put it in here, the input of the amplifier. Later, we put it in there. We must test first. And this is the supply of the preamp. We remove it first. So now this is the power supply of the amplifier here. So this we on first and check the voltage of the amplifier if it is okay. And we check it the amplifier and put the speaker. Okay. So set the tester to 250 volts. Now power on, it's already on, and check the voltage of this amplifier if there is a voltage. Negative to negative. Okay, you see there is a 65 volts, negative 65 volts, and reverse it, check it, and there's also a positive 65 volts. Positive and negative 65 volts is here in the amplifier. Is now it's already supply, so we put the speaker. Okay, so we can check and we can test it. Okay, this is the speaker. Okay, speaker. So the speaker, we'll put it in. Okay, we put it in here, we put it in there. Negative. Okay, and the other side is positive. Okay, now check it. We check it. Okay, this is the terminal of the speaker here and the speaker. Okay, now we're going to test it if the audio is okay. Power on. Okay, there's a power. So now we check first our amplifier if there is audio. Oh, no more audio. Why there is no more audio? Okay, we check it. We check first why there is no audio. Okay, we check what the problem, why there is our amplifier is no audio. So we check it. What happened? No more happen. Okay, there is no audio. The power is on. Oh, maybe the power is. Oh, you see? That's the reason why there's no audio, because the power is off. On. See? Okay, now let's. Oh, you see? There is no. Okay. Audio. You see? We have the audio now. Okay, we have the audio. So our amplifier now is working. So this is the uppers. The uppers up. Okay, the power is now up and up all. Oh, okay. So now we put, this is the output of the preamp. We put it in the input of the amplifier. Okay. In the volume. Okay. Input. Where is the input here? Okay. Up volume. Now this is the supply of the preamp. Now we kabit it. So okay. Review. All is okay. Now we're going now to test what happened, if it is approved or not approved. Okay. Power on. Okay, the power now is on. You see, the amplifier now is on. We have a USB. Where's the USB? Oh. Okay. Let me see. if there is a sounds. Okay, the USB now is reading. Okay. Okay, now we volumize our IC, integrated IC amplifier with volume. No more sounds. Volume here. Oh yes. Okay, you see? Okay, there's a sounds. Okay, volume. Use. Yes, you see? Okay. So we change the sounds. Okay. Okay, volume. Okay, it's okay. You see? Up. You see? Volume. Okay. And the main volume. Up. Okay. It's okay. And the equalizer, it is function or not? Okay, the equalizer is now functioning. You see? Okay. 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 Thumbs up. Okay. Yes. See. Okay, this is my universal IC amplifier. Here. This is the universal. So the speaker is okay. Okay, 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 okay. It's easy to install. Easy to install a universal IC amplifier. It's only few supply and input. It's okay. You see? Okay. Yes. Approve. 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 Oh. Volume. Main volume. Okay. It's good. The sounds is cool, and the transistor is not very. It's hot, but not very hot. Okay. The supply now is, I think it's 60060. Okay. Okay. It's easy to us to repair and to find the remedy. How to one? We have a universal IC amplifier capable to all kind of voltage. Okay, okay, very good, nice, good job. So we fix this volume to the taper, and here is also the volume. See, the sound is okay. Very good, very cool. Approve? Approve. Okay. Okay, that's all. Easy to install my universal IC amplifier. Okay? Okay.